So today we are going to start with the chapter number 2, that is Introduction to C. Now what is C? C is a programming language developed at AT&T's Bell Lab of United States of America, USA in 1972. It was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. C language inherited the features of B and BCPL. So B and BCPL are the languages which they are using already. Now we have also learned about QBasic. QBasic is also one of the old programming language in which we can do the modifications and calculations of all the arithmetic things. So now we have already seen QBasic. So C programming is a upgraded version of that programming language. Here in C program we are having more features to use. So BCPL is nothing but basic combined programming language, and additional features were added to it in C programming. So this is your C program. Now before that starting, we will see the history and introductory video for this particular C programming language. So that I will add now.
We'll take a look at the introduction part of the C programming language. We will see its history, and then we will discuss why you should study this C programming language when there are so many other programming languages are available. So now first let us see what is a programming language. Now all of you know that this computer is a general purpose machine that can perform many computational tasks. But the thing is, these computers, they really can't do anything on their own. So to get something done by using this computer, we have to give the instructions to these computers. And these instructions, which are given to the computers to get a particular job done, are called as the program. And the person who is going to write these instructions is called as the programmer. And the language in which these instructions or these programs are written is called as the programming language. Now here, as a programmer, we will write the program or the instructions using any of the programming language available, and then this computer will work according to the instructions. Now C language is one of the programming language which we can use and write these computer programs. Now let us see the history of this C programming language. Now the C programming language was invented in 1972 at Bell Laboratories of USA by a team led by Dennis Ritchie. And Dennis Ritchie called his new language as the C language because it was the successor of another existing language at that time called as the B language. And this B language was highly influenced by another existing old language which was called as the BCPL at that time. Now, originally this C language was created to write the operating systems and the compilers, and then later, because of its simplicity and its features, C became one of the popular programming language, and even to this day, C is one of the most popular programming language used. Alright, now you guys may be thinking like, okay, why should I have to study this C language when there are so many other languages like C++, Java, C# are available? Now, to learn any programming language, that language should be simple and easy to learn, and this C is one of the simple and easy to learn language. If you don't know anything about computer programming, then the C programming language is one of the language which you can use and get started with your programming career. Another thing is, if you learn this C programming language, then you will have the better understanding of the basic computer programming concepts. The C language has the concepts like the pointers and dynamic memory location and many more. Now, if you understand all these basic concepts of the computer programming, then you can understand all those other advanced concepts very easily. Now, another thing is, if you learn any programming language and once you start writing the programs, the program that you write using that language should be efficient and reliable, and also it should provide high performance. So if you talk about the execution speed, then the code written in the C programming language can run much faster than many of the other programming languages. And also this C programming language is widely used when there are very less resources are available, for example in the embedded devices.
In today's world of computer programming, there are many high-level languages to choose from, such as C, Perl, Basic, Java. Though all are excellent programming language, C is still at the top of the list due to several reasons. Now we will see what are those reasons because of that your C programming language is at top of all the programming languages. Reason number one is that C is a powerful and flexible language. Powerful and flexible means what? It provides you multiple way to easily understand the logic of program and to proceed further. It can be used for operating system. We can also create operating system with the help of C programming. Word processors, spreadsheets, and even compilers for other languages. So this is what we can do. We can create operating system, we can create word processing tools like your MS Word. We can make it spreadsheets like Excel software that we can also make with the C program, as well as we can also make compilers for the other programming languages to work for. Now the second point, C is a portable language. Now why it is called as portable? So in common language, if we say portable means what? That can be shifted from one place to another place and it can be working as it is, just like it was working on the first place. So that is what we are calling it as portable or mobile. But here portable and mobile means what? C program, whatever program you have written in C program, that can be run to the other computer with few or some modifications. So the program will be the same. It means like if you are having one Windows system and other one Ubuntu system or Linux system, so if you are running the C programming code which was there in Windows system, the same program can also be run in Ubuntu system with some or few modifications, which means that a C program written for one computer can be compiled and run on other system with the little or no modification. This is what is also written here. Now the other feature is that C language of few words and contain only a handful of terms called keywords. So here in C program what is happen, it's a high level language, means what? It is having English like keyword which can be easily understand by the user. So here it says that C programming is having few words that contain only handful of terms. So there are only 32 keywords are there in C programming, and its strength lies in its built-in feature. C++ is a superset of C. So upgraded version of C is that C++ it is having more keywords as compared to the C programming, which means that C programming contain everything C does. So all the features which are there in C programming can also be worked with the C++. So new addition for object oriented programming is your C programming language. So that is nothing but the history and importance of C programming, that these are the functions which we are using and why it is used very highly in above all the other programming languages.